Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about employment in India because it was a prevalent problem which faced by us before pandemic and now during pandemic. So let's start. Our today's question is discuss unemployment in India rising continuously. What are the reasons, impact and measures to curb it? So we need to discuss, it means we need to provide each and every information about it, reasons, impacts and what are the measures, and finally conclusion. So you can start with any of the things, like you can start with the definition of it, and you can provide about pandemic, and you can also provide your current scenario. Significance of this question that can be asked in GS paper 3 under the employment, growth and development, poverty, education, skill development and human resource headings. Our introduction would be unemployment occurs when a person who is actively searching for employment is unable to find work. National Sample Survey Office NSSO, an organization under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation MOSP, measure unemployment in India. Unemployment rate was highest level at least 45 years, and now according to the report by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, in short CMIA, over 10 million Indians have been rendered unemployment because of the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. The report also states that around 97% of Indian households have been seen a dip in their income since the start of the second wave, which directly impacted the Indian economy. Then what are the reasons behind unemployment in India? Huge number of population with the low awareness and lack of data, lack of vocational training, then lack of educated population, that leading to the take of skilled workers required in the service sector, forcing unskilled workers to work in unorganized sector. Then main reason for the structural unemployment is that the level of education in school and colleges doesn't meet the current industry requirements. Then discriminatory practices which don't allow women to work live, like wages as compared to men, and then sexual harassment, then abuse and so many other things. Then India directly jumped from primary sector to tertiary sector. That is also a big reason behind unemployment in India, because manufacturing sector generate most of the employment opportunities. Then labor intensive sector like cotton and leather suffering slowdown of private investment after the demonetization, like manufacturing sector. Low productivity in agriculture and lack of alternative opportunities for agricultural laborers make transition among all the sectors. Then the other issues like legal complexities, low infrastructure, low finance, low funding, inadequate state support, downpour, then poor linkages with market and small business. You can show this in the like this in diagram, like what is the causes. The whole we discussed before was included in that and some more others, so you can read it in PPT in PDF. Then what are the impacts of unemployment? The personal and social cost of unemployment include severe financial hardship and poverty, debt, homelessness and housing stress, then family tensions and breakdown, then boredom, alienation, then shame and stigma, increased social isolation, crime, erosion of confidence, then self-esteem, then the atrophy of work skill and also ill health. Most of these increase within the duration of the unemployment. For example, lower income earners, recently arrived migrant and indigenous Australian. Then you can also include conclusion or consequences like that. You can show your things in diagram which provide you edge from others. Then what are the government initiatives to curb this? Atmanirbhar Bharat, National Youth Policy, PM Rozgar Protsahan Yojana, then Skill India Mission and Startup India like Atal Innovation, then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega in short, focusing on agriculture, innovation and scientific development of scientific temperament. Government provide assistance and food under the PDS system, public distribution system, to the poor people. Then what are the measures we need to take in? Government can include the household sector in economic activities as well, which will also help us to improve the condition of women. Then need improvement in quality education, need to focus on current industrial, economic, scientific needs of business. Then government should encourage the balance between labor intensive and capital intensive techniques of production. They need to focus on education, 3 A's, which are available, accessible and affordable to all. Need to encourage people to consider all jobs are equal, because so many people think that job of D category was not good for us. Then proper training should be provided to people in the vocational activities, generating more employment. Then employment policies should focus mainly on the youth of India, because India has the highest youth population in the world, and the vigor of youth will definitely help to improve country's condition and ensure economic growth of our country. Then according to the data released by Finance Ministry, nearly 10 million government jobs in central government were vacant at the end of the fiscal year 2019. This represents that 22.7% of the approximately 4 million approved positions. We need to fill them. Then our conclusion would be, according to the AISHE by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, India produced around 3.66 crore graduates this year, and nearly 3.50 crore every year. Even though only 24% Indian graduates were being hired by the organized sector of the employment in the country. To understand the elasticity of this situation, government need to focus on the manufacturing sector and generate more employment. It will help us to achieve Sustainable Development Goal 8, which is decent work and economic growth, and help to improve our rank in various indexes like ease of doing business and happiness index and some others. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide suggestions to improve. And what are the thinking about yours? What is your thinking about this? You can also provide this in the comment section.